Hello, and welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we've got something special for all you pet owners out there. The ultimate solution for keeping your carpets and hardwood floors spotless.
Get ready to meet the best vacuum cleaner for pets' carpets and hardwood available in the market.
Introducing the EUREKA Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner.
This powerhouse of a cleaner is here to tackle those tough spots and stains left behind by our furry friends, and it does it with ease.
Let's dive into what makes this cleaner stand out from the rest. First off, its powerful spray and suction technology make light work of even the most stubborn messes.
Whether it's muddy paw prints, pet accidents, or spilled drinks, the EUREKA cleaner has got you covered.
One of the standout features of this cleaner is its dual tank system. With a whopping 50.7 ounces clean water tank capacity and a 27 ounces dirty water tank capacity, you can clean larger areas without the hassle of constantly refilling or emptying the tanks. And let's not forget about its extended reach. With a 5.5 feet hose and a 16 feet cord, you can easily clean those hard-to-reach spots, like stairs and upholstery, without breaking a sweat. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about the EUREKA cleaner.
From its ease of use to its powerful suction, it's clear why this cleaner is a fan favorite.
Well, besides its impressive cleaning capabilities, its compact design makes it easy to store. While its lightweight construction means you can take it anywhere in your home with confidence. In conclusion, if you're tired of battling pet stains and odors, look no further than the EUREKA Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. With its powerful performance and user-friendly design, it's the perfect tool for keeping your home clean and fresh. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy cleaning!